Introducing the newest portable oxygen concentrator by Philips Respironics. It is called the simplygo. It has several capacities: a nighttime mode, a 2 liters continuous, and 6 liters pulse dose capacity. The reinforced power supply jack helps us to prevent any potential problems in the future from getting knocked around. This is one of the most tested and produced research and development portable oxygen concentrators ever made. They've gone through extensive testing, dropping them from ultralights and finding out what pieces fell apart and reinforcing those parts. So it is a very good machine with 2 to 5 year warranty. These units can run off a car charger, a wall charger, and also off battery. To understand the batteries, we need to go to the side toward the back, and there is a Velcro area right here that can hook onto your travel-all cart, and there's a groove right here. This is where we grab our battery. And we pull it out. We can flip it over. There's actually a battery indicator light that we can check each battery, so if we have multiple batteries, we can check to see what the status is. Remember, it is good practice to always check your batteries to make sure that they're completely full when leaving for a trip. If you're going on an airline, most airlines require 150% of battery time of the duration of the trip. So if you're taking a 2-hour trip, make sure you have 3 hours of battery life available. It is shown in your manual how much time you have on pulse dose, on the liter flow that is associated with that pulse dose, and how much time you have on continuous flow, and the time you have duration for the battery for that continuous flow. So be mindful of your times. It's very important. Most airlines require advance notification, so you will not be able to go aboard a plane at the last minute without prior notification to the airline. When using the simplygo, remember that the maximum allowed tubing and cannula is 30 feet. The tubing is connected here in this outlet port. It comes with a cart as well as a over-the-shoulder strap to enable you to carry it. It's 10 pounds, fully adjustable handle for traveling through the airports. When you're going to use the simplygo, you got to know how to turn it on. So this is the on and off button right here. You need to push it once and twice to turn it on. The other button right here, shown with an M, is the mode button right here. When I push that, I get a symbol. This is the symbol for pulse dose. Notice that it goes up to 6 liters pulse dose. I have it plugged in. You can see the battery is actively charging. I push the mode button again. I get a waveform looking icon, and that means it's getting continuous flow. Notice that I get 2 liters continuous flow. I can also decrease this to 0.5. Push the mode button again, and I get a nighttime pulse. So if I were more than 2 liters per minute, and I was requiring, say, 4 liters per minute equivalent pulse dose at night, it's going to drive out those pulses, and regardless of whether I breathe or not, I'm going to get a good volume during the night. So this will help those patients who travel who might need more than 2 liters continuous flow. When I switch it to continuous, that's going to drain the battery down the fastest. It could still be from 2 down to 0.5 liters per minute continuous flow, which is unique in a 10-pound portable oxygen concentrator. Now there are power supplies for your car and your wall. There's a extra supply bag which has Velcro back, so we can Velcro it right here onto the machine to take any cannulas and other products, including the power supplies. A nice soft strap that can be connected and be carried on without the travel-all cart.